Okay, so can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Yes. Right. So, okay, let me start from here. So, see this example. I was solving this example here. This example. So here example is this is the graph. This is the graph here. This is the graph, and you have to write adjacency matrix. So see how to write the solution adjacency matrix. How to write solution? Say this matrix A equal to, here look, here four vertices. There are four vertices. Four vertices. Vertices. Four vertices here. V1, V2, V3, and V4. Arba vertices. Okay. Then you will get 4 by 4 matrix. You will get 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. 4 by 4 matrix. Adjacency matrix. Okay. And how to write these matrices? So four vertices here. Here write V1. Here write V2. Here write V3, and here write V4 first. Okay. Then start from here, V1. Start from here. First you see this. First start from V1. So this V1 and V1. V1, V1. So V1, V1 this point here. So this same point V1, V1 no edge. माफी एज मौजूद at this point V1, V1. So V1, V1 no edge मौजूद. So write 0. Okay. After that start from again here. This V1 and this V2. V1, V2. Right? V1, V2. So V1 here and V2 here. V1, V2. And hina edge मौजूद. See this. This is the edge here मौजूद. So edge मौजूद here or not? This edge मौजूद. Edge मौजूद up to here 1. Up to 1 here. Okay. Now again, see this V1 and then this one V3. V1, V3. So V1 here मौजूद. Other V1 and V3 here. V3 here. And between this V1 and V3, this edge मौजूद here. Edge मौजूद. So edge मौजूद here. So write here 1. Okay. Now come here V4. This V1 and V4. Between V1 and V4. Look here. So V1 here and V4 here. And between this here edge मौजूद. See this edge मौजूद here. V1 V4. So V1 V4 edge मौजूद. So write here 1. You understand now how to write? Clear. Okay. Now look over here. Right. Yes. Now look over here. Now start from this V2. This sub, other sub V2. Okay. So now start from here. V2 and V1. V2 V1. So V2 hina मौजूद and V1 hina मौजूद. So between V2 and V1, हाँ the edge मौजूद. See this edge मौजूद. V2 V1. Edge मौजूद. So write here 1. Okay. And now again this V2 and V2. V2 V2. V2 V2 यानी same point हाँ V2 V2 यानी same. Here so the same point no edge. V2 V2 no edge. Same point no edge यानी 0. Okay. And now this V2 and this V3. V2 V3. So V2 here and V3 here, and between this here edge मौजूद. See this edge मौजूद. So here write 1. Okay. And now again here from here V2 and V4. V2 V4. So V2 here and V4 here, and here between V2 and V4 no edge. هذا ما في edge मौजूद here. So here write 0. See this V2 and V4. Here V2 and here V4. Between this edge मौजूद? No, not मौजूद. Here ما في edge मौजूद. ما في edge मौजूद between V2 and V4. So here write 0. Okay. Now start from this V3, Hada sub V3. So start from here. V3, V1, V3, V1. So Hada V3 and Hada V1. And between V3, V1 here age मौजूद. So here write 1. Now look this. V3, V2, V3, V2. Hada V3 and Hada V2. And between this here age मौजूद. So here write 1. Okay. And now V3, V3 same point. V3, V3 same point no age. So write 0. V3, V3 यानी this same point. Here no. Same point no is मौजूद here. So write here 0. Okay. Now look this. V3 and V4. V3, V4. Where is V3? V3 here. And V4 here. And between this here is मौजूद. V3, V4 is मौजूद. So write here 1. Okay. And now start from this sub arba. Hada sub arba from here. So start from here. V4, V1, V4, V1. V4 here and V1 here. Here age मौजूद. So here write 1. And now start from this V4, V2, V4, V2. So V4 here and V2 here. V4, V2 here no age मौजूद between V4 and V2. So here write 0. Okay. And now V4 and V3, V4, V3. So V4 here and V3 here. Here is मौजूद. So here write 1. Okay. And now V4 and this here V4. V4, V4 no age yani 0. Okay. So this is the matrix. Okay. This way. Is it clear or not? Yes. Now see example number 2. This one. Find the adjacency matrix for the graph and be careful. This graph is directed graph. Okay. Here also how to find matrix here. See the solution for this. Example number 2 for this graph. Okay. See the solution here. Here also how many edges? How many vertices? Vertices equal to 4. So you will get 4 by 4 matrix. You will get 4 by 4 matrix. So how to write matrix? A equal to, you will write this way. You will write this way. Okay. So here write vertices V1, V2, V3 and V4 here. Now start from here V1. So now of course this one, this V1 and this V1 and V1 no age yani 0. Same point V1, V1 same point here no age. So write 0. Now start from here V1 and V2, V1, V2. Start from V1 and go to V2. So V1 here, start from V1 and go to V2. So now look this way, V1 to V2 and here ishara this way, V1 to V2 yani age मौजूद. So write here 1. Do you understand or not? Start from V1 and go to V2. So start from here V1 and go to V2. So from this way, Hada, ishara this way, and ishara hina this way मौजूद. Same ishara मौजूद this way. Yani age मौजूद. So here write 1. Now start from V1. Start from this V1. Start from V1 and go to V3. Go to V3. V1, V3. So start from here V1 and go to V3. Yani this way. And ishara this way मौजूद. See. Yani age मौजूद here. So write 1. Understand or not? Yes. Now look over here. Now start from this V1. All the time start from here V1 and V4. Go to start from V1 and go to V4. So V1 here मौजूद and V4 here मौजूद. Going this way V1 to V4. But ishara this way opposite मौजूद यानी no age यानी 0 here. Okay, you understand? You start from V1. See this, you start from V1 and go to V4. So you start from here V1 and go to V4. Yani you are going this way. But इशारा मौजूद this way, opposite. Yani no is, it means 0. Okay, do you understand? See, here V1 मौजूद, here V1, and here मौजूद V4, here V1 and here मौजूद V4. Okay, and age this one, age मौजूद this way age मौजूद. You start from V1 and going to V4 here, V4 here, V4. Okay, you are going this way. Okay, and इशारा मौजूद this way, यानी no age. If hada isara mojud this way, yani age mojud. But you start from V1 and going this way up to V2 this way. But isara mojud this way, yani no age, yani here 0. Right? Now come to the next. Here. Now see this. Start this up, V2. Start V2. So now start from here, V2. Now, then start from here, V2, V1. Start from here, V2, and go to V1. Go to V1 here. Go to V1 here. Yani start from V2 and go to V1 here, this way. But this is Sara Mojud here opposite. Yani no is. It means 0. See this. And now this V2 and V2, same point. V2, V2, same point. So here V2, V2, same point. Here no is. Yani get 0. And now start from V2. Start from V2 and go to V3. Start from here V2 and go to V3, yani this way. Okay, and isara the same way, yani age mojud, yani here 1. Right, and now start from V2 and go to V4. So start from this V2 here and go to V4 here. So here no age mojud, so here 0. Take this, and now take this V3 Sattalata V3. V3 start from V3 and go to V1. V3 to V1. So V3 here मौजूद and V1 here मौजूद. Start from V3 and go to V1 this way. But here इशारा मौजूद opposite. यानी no is. यानी here 0. And now start from V3. V3 to V2. V3 to V2. So Hada V3 and Hada V2. Go this way. Okay. But इशारा मौजूद opposite. It means no is. It means here 0. And now this V3 to V3, V3 to V3, no age is 0. And now start from here, V3 to V4. So V3 here and V4 here. Yani start from V3 and go to V4 this way. And isara this way. Yani age mojud. So here 1. Right? Now come to this V4, Arba, Saf Arba. Start from here now. V4, V1. So V4 here and V1 here. So you start from V4 and going this way. And isara the same way. Yani here age mojud 1. Okay. Now V4 to V2. V4 to V2. Okay. V4 to V2. So V4 here and V2 here. Between these no age mojud. So here 0. And V4 to V3. This is V4 and this is V3. So start from V4 and going to V3 this way. But isara opposite here. Yani no age. Yani here 0. And now V4 to V4. V4 to V4. No age. Yani 0 here. So this is the matrix. Okay. So in the directed graph, you have to be careful. If you write this in the directed graph, if you write this, if you start from here, V1 to V1, if you start from V1 to V1, if V1 to V1, same point, no age. So you will write 0 here. and then you start from this V1 to, you start from V1 and go to V2. Okay, so if V1 and V2, you start from here and going this way, and if इशारा मौजूद this way, here edge इशारा मौजूद this way, यानी no edge यानी zero, right? Understand this? Any problem here? Okay, now see another question. Example number 3. See this example number 3 here. See this one. Example number 3. So here how many edges are there? Find the adjacency matrix for the graph. Okay, there are 3. It's V1, V2 and V3. So there are 3. 3, so you will get 3 by 3 matrix. Talata by Talata. Yani Talata sub and Talata column. Right? So start here. Write here V1, V2 and V3. This way. So start from V1. V1 to V1. This V1 to from V1 to V1 here. No edge. V1 to V1, see this here, this same point. So no edge yani 0. And this V1 to V2. This V1 and this V2. Here one edge mojud. Okay. So write here 1. Okay. And now this V1 to V3. V1 to V3 here. Here no edge. So here write 0. Okay. Now start from this V2. V2 to V1. V2 here and V1 here. V2 to V1 from this here edge mojud. Here this is not directed, so you go from V1 to V2 or go from V2 to V1. The same is here. So V2 to V1 here, V2 to V1 here, one is. And now V2 to V2 here look, this same point V2 to V2. V2 to V2 here edge loop mojud. Okay. So V2 to V2 edge mojud, hada loop mojud, yani one edge. This loop gives you here one edge. Okay, so V2 to V2 this edge, hada edge, one edge. So V2 to V2 here maafi 0, V2 to V here one edge, because loop mojud. Loop yani one edge, wahid edge. Okay. Now see this V2 to V3, V2 to V3. So look here V2 to V3, V2 to V3 this two edge mojud here. V2 to V3 two edge mojud. So here write 2. You can see this is V2 and this is V3, and between V2 V3 here 2 edge mojud. So write here 2, and now write here V3 talata sab. So start from here V3 V1. So this is V3 and this is V1. Here no edge mojud. So here 0. Now V3 V2 V3 V2. So this V3 and this V2 here 2 edge mojud. V3 V2 2 edge mojud. So here write 2. And now V3 V3 here and V3 here. Here no loop and no loop. Same point this V3 yani 0. This way. You understand this? Any problem here? Look, if here mojud, suppose here V2 and here mojud loop. Okay. So if you see V2 yani one edge here. V2 yani one edge here. So look here V2 and this V2 here one edge. Right? Be careful about that. 100%. Yes. If at the same point loop mojud yani one edge. Okay. V2 vertex V2 loop mojud yani vertex V2 yani V2 1. Right? If no loop mojud yani 0. V2 no edge 0. Right? Okay. Now come over here. Example number 4. See this example number 4. Find the adjacency matrix for graph. Okay. How many edges are there? How many vertex? A, B, C, and D. Four vertices. Yani you will get 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4. So you can see here 4 by 4 matrix mojo. So right here A, here B, here C, here D. And start from here A. Oval sub. Yani start from A. A to A. A yani here no loop. Yani this 0. And now A to B. This A to B here, one is mojood, yani here one. And now A to C, from A to C here one is mojood, yani here one. And from A to D, see this, A to D here no is, A to D, so here 0. Okay. Now start from this sub B, sub 2. Start from this B to A. So this B to A here, no other undirected graph, so B to A Wahid. So B to A Wahid here. And now B to B, the same point, no loop here, yellow. And now B to C, this B to this C, here no is, B to C no is, yani 0. And now B to D, this B to D here one is mojood, yani here one. Okay. Now start from this sub talata, yani C. Start from this C to A. This C to A here mojood one sub, one is, yani here one. And now C to B, C here and B here, C to B, no is here, so here 0. And now C to C, C to C are in the same point, no is, here 0. And now C to D here one is mojood, yani here one. And now start from this D, sub arba, start from here D to A, this D to A here no is, D to A, yani here 0. And now D to B, here mojood one is, so here one. And now D to C, this D to C here one is mojood, and here one. And now D to D, this D to D same point, no loop, then no is here, 0. So this is the matrix. Okay. This is adjacency matrix, right? 4 by 4. See here, arba sub and arba column, 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. So this is about adjacency matrix, right? So there are many graphs you can write here. Adjacency matrix for this example and this example. Okay. You write adjacency matrix for this. You can write this one. Okay. Okay. So today I will stop here. If any question, then ask me. Do you have any question? Okay. Thanks for joining today. See you at next lecture, inshallah. Next week. Nice weekend.